When water overflows, both in the front and top load washing machines, I will tell you its solution in this video. To explain the problem, I will first discuss the outer drum of the top load washing machine with this diagram. The front load washing machine also has an outer and inner drum. Both work the same. The difference is that the top load washing machine drum is standing in a vertical position, whereas the front load washing machine stands in an upright position. The rest, if the washing machine takes more water and the drain system is not working fine, then the mechanism of both the front and top load washing machine operates the same. It has no difference. For this, we have to understand its air trap system, the value of the rubber pipe. Also, we will have to understand the airflow switch as well. When we understand all these things, we can fix the water overflow problem, and also if the washing machine is not taking water. Now let me explain how the system works. When the water inlet is switched on, water starts flowing in the washing machine. Now you have to see carefully what I did. The air trap is a mechanism that is attached or made to the body of the washing machine. A gap is made left inside the air trap system. The work of this gap is really important, due to which the rest of the water system works. When the washing machine will take water to this drum level, this water will also go inside the air trap. So the water is filled till the drum level. Now when the washing machine is filled with more water inside the drum, then no more water will go inside the air trap. Now, what is the reason behind it? See, if you know the law of physics, that air has a mass and occupies space. Now what we did is we trapped air inside this chamber. As the water keeps filling in the drum, the water level in the air trap chamber will rise very little, as we have trapped air in the chamber. The water also has weight, which is applying pressure downwards. The air pressure inside the air trap chamber will start increasing, and the air will start flowing through the rubber pipe upward. Now suppose I have set the high level water function in the washing machine, so that the drum could fill at the maximum level. The washing machine drum will keep taking water. As the water is filled in the drum, the pressure is building downward inside the drum. And due to that pressure, the water will try to go inside the air trap chamber, but due to the air inside the air trap, the water will not go inside it. But due to that air in the air trap, this water flow switch will work. Then this water flow switch is electrically attached to the motherboard of the washing machine, which will function, and this way, the water at which level it has been set will stop flowing from the water inlet valve. Let me show you now, practically and physically, that how it is installed inside the machine. If I talk about the top load washer, let me show its air trap, which I showed you in the diagram. See, this is the air trap that has been created in this washing machine. This is the rubber pipe I showed you in the diagram. Then comes the water flow switch or water flow sensor. Now, if I talk about front load washing machines, I have this outer drum already disassembled from a front load washer. See, this is its air trap system. And this is the pipe that attaches to the water flow switch. Let me explain to you now why the water overflows in both the front and top load washing machines. As you understood the working of the water system in both the machine and saw them physically and with diagram, this happens when the water in your area is hard, which I will elaborate you. The other reason is when you use detergent in excess quantity, it means that person is quantity conscious. The third reason is when dirt, coins, clothes, fur, hair, etc. blocks the washing machine, then water overflows in the washing machine. And where does the washing machine block from? Let me show you that as well. Now let me tell you through the diagram, that what gets blocks in the washing machine, which leads to water overflow. This happens when the air trap gets blocked completely, which means this hole in the air trap is blocked. When no airflow will flow to the water flow switch from the air trap, the water flow switch will be unable to sense that whether water is filling inside the drum or not. Then due to this, the electronic system of the machine will make the water inlet valve switch on till the time water starts to overflow, and hence the water will start overflowing. We can fix the air trap by cleaning it. So let me tell you two methods of cleaning it. The first method is lengthy. For that, you will need proper tools and a professional. The second method is you can do it yourself, and it is easy to perform. The first method is to open the washing machine, and the professional will open it. He will remove and open the drum to clean it properly. Now for the second method. You will need a syringe and a pipe. But try to have a shorter pipe than this to attach it to the air trap of the washing machine. Let me attach it with the air trap. I will fill the syringe with any toilet cleaner. And will slowly inject the chemical into the air trap. See, my syringe can't go directly inside the air trap chamber. It will be easier for me to have a shorter pipe and inject the toilet cleaner into the air trap. The cleaner will remove scales, and your washing machine will temporarily work for 6 months or a year. Otherwise, the washing machine will need a complete service. I hope you liked the video. This is for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Click on the left or right thumbnail on the screen to watch the next video. And subscribe. It will be really appreciable. Thank you.